Hello chicos, hey Orion. My name is Daniel Martínez Doblado. I am aprendiz SENA in Electronic Product Development FACHI 318602A. Evidence video A2402051 EV02. My instructor María Alejandra Reyes Medrano. What are electronic products? They are devices that use circuit containing activity components such transistors and diodes to control and direct the flow of electricity. Their main and fundamental purpose is to process, store, transmit, or transfer data and information. As technology continues to advance, electronic products will have become even more essential in everyday life. Key feature: they will integrate circuit and semiconductor, the process complex electrical signal rather than simply driving power. They perform logical, computational, and communication function. In the coming years, manufacturers will have been developing more efficient and intelligent electronic products to meet society needs. Innovate revolutionary product. Evolutionary and revolutionary products differ in degree of change they bring about. Evolutionary products introduce step-by-step improvement to have already existed, while revolutionary products bring about a complete and entirely new change. Hybrid products combine both approaches over time. A very clear example of this is mobile phones. In the past, they were fast to large and only allow users to make calls for a limited time. Now they have ever we can access a wide variety of tools on each one and carry out almost any task without leaving home, saving us time and money. The next day, smartphones will have become even more advanced, and engineers will have been creating new features that improve communication, health, and education. Cultural variation in relation to the function of hydrocarbon. For a long time, hydrocarbons have been the primary source of energy. The fuels we use today are derived from them. However, by 2035, they will have taken second place as other types of fuel capable of performing the same function but with significant improvement are being introduced. such as electrical motorbikes, will not produce and much pollution. Furthermore, even if oil is electricity responsible, there is still a high risk of environmental damage. By that time, many countries will have been investing in cleaner energy technologies, and the introduction of these new technologies will have significantly multiplied this risk. Conclusion: among the most significant innovation we can highlight mobile phones, as these have undergone considerable change over time, evolving from an electronic device capable only of making calls into a handheld computer that allowing users to access various tools in one place, such as listen to music, watch videos, and shopping without leaving home. In the future, mobile technology will have continued to transform, transform our daily base, daily lives, and scientists will have been improving these devices to make them more efficient and sustainable. Is It is important to make a change in the will travel, as this will help us preserve our world a little more, ensure a better future for our children, and embraces new technologies. By will to the earth, we will have creating a cleaner and more sustainable world for future generations. Thank you.